All right. Today I am going to show you how to change the date and time on a Mac computer. But before we get started, I just want to let you know, check the description part of the page because I will leave links to other videos that can help you along the way of learning your Mac computer. All right, so let's get started. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get to System Preferences, and I'm going to do that by going to the Launch Pad and selecting that, and then going to System Preferences and clicking on that right there. All right, so once I'm in there, I'm going to find the date and time icon, which is right here, and I'm going to select on that. Now, once I've selected on that, I'm able to go up here to the tabs. There are tabs right at the top, all right? And what I'm going to do, I want to find the date and time because that is what I want to change, all right? So I'm going to click on that, and right here I can change the date and time, but it won't allow me to because it's locked. And so in order to unlock it, I have to click this lock right here. It says click this lock to make changes. I'm going to click that, and it's a password prompt. Enter that in, and I'm able to make changes to the clock after I deselect the set the date and time automatically. All right, so I deselected that, and I'm able to change the date. I'm able to go back in time if I want to, or if I'm running late somewhere, I am able to bring back the time just like that. Do you see that? But I want to set the date and time automatically no matter where I'm at, so I'm going to go ahead and select this, and it automatically selects all of this. All right, and when I'm done, I'm going to go down to lock this back, and I'm on my way. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.